interesting thing to watch. But hello, everybody. This is Kubernetes SIG architecture production readiness sub project meeting, and for October 6th, 2021. Thank you all for joining. And we have one agenda item today, which is to hear from David how it's going with the survey analysis. And take it away, David.
I hit a little hiccup trying to get the queries that I was looking for to be able to match the previous data report, so we get a comparable thing. I have those queries now, and I'm going through the process of getting the data all ready. And when that's ready, I will try to remap the data sources into the report and see what I can get to show up.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, sorry I didn't respond to your Slack for a couple of days there. Somehow I think I saw it and then I wasn't in a position to respond, and then I just forgot about it. So
no problem. I've got it now, and I'm about looks like a third of the way done getting the query mapped, and then I got to get that Data Studio report open, and hopefully I get good metadata on that.
Were you able to do this in the Kubernetes Google Cloud project, or are you still doing
I am.
it in your
it's in the Kubernetes BigQuery project, or Kubernetes public, and then the data is under Kate's prod readiness. The views are getting saved there, and the queries that I'm also saving a copy of the queries, but those are having to be personal right now. So I'm going to have to figure out after the fact how to add them in so we can have shared saved queries.
Yeah, we might just have to copy and paste them in there. I didn't see a way to like do it otherwise.
Yeah, right now that's what I'm doing. I'm manipulating them, copy paste, adding the view, making sure, got to massage it for the differences in the survey itself.
Okay, great. Well, I guess we have a new person here, Mohammed. Hello, would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello. Hi. Hi there.
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yep, sorry, my dog's barking. Yes, I can hear you. Let me just mute it.
Okay, great. Yeah, I'm Mohammed. So I'm a Kubernetes engineer, and I'm also a Kubernetes contributor. So I've been contributing to Kubernetes projects since I guess almost 2019. And yeah, I started contributing to Kubernetes from SIG docs, and then I also started to contribute to SIG architecture, dependencies, code organization, and so on. And today just saw the meeting here in the SIG architecture readiness. What is it? Yeah, production readiness, right? So I just want to get some impression on this, this kind of production readiness, to get to know this.
Okay, great. Yeah, thank you. Welcome. Well, yeah, I mean, it's a small group of us. We review CAPs as they graduate through their life cycle and make sure that people are addressing the requirements for operators to sort of successfully operate and disable and safely operate those features in production. So usually the other thing we do, which we're just talking about, is that once a year we're doing a survey. We've only done it twice now, where we're trying to determine the effectiveness of this procedure. So what we're hoping to see is that in releases where this process since this process started, we see fewer needs to roll back because there's more emphasis on making sure that, although actually we talk about enabling the ability to roll back. So I don't know, maybe we won't see more needs to roll back, but we try to provide more visibility in general into features and whether they're working. And so hopefully that will help people solve problems without having to roll back. And we look at how people's metrics are, how they're using metrics, whether they're using metrics or having to fall back on logs, things like that. So David's analyzing those results from this year, and hopefully we'll have a report out of that before too long. But happy to have you attend, or you can also shadow some reviews. So there's nothing going on particularly right now, but when we get to the period where just before KEP freeze, enhancements freeze, things get pretty intense. So if you're interested in chipping in there, that'd be great. Basically, we can talk about it when we get closer to that, if it's something you're interested in. So anyway, that's all I've got. Anybody else have anything they want to discuss, or we can make it a really nice short meeting?
Nothing for me. I'm just gonna keep working on the survey.
Yeah, you've got almost an hour now to keep working on it.
Yeah.
All right, thanks everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you.